Hi, I have a quick feature highlight for you today. I recently found out that you can now download videos from Visla with your logo. So let me show you how it works. I have my video opened up here, but before I add the logo, I first need to make sure I have uploaded one to my branding settings. So to get to your settings, click on your face in the upper right, select Settings, click on Branding, and here, if you're a premium Visla user, you're able to change the default text settings as well as your intro and outro. What I'm looking for is this section down here for logos. So I have uploaded a logo already. If you haven't, you can do that. And I want to position my logo in the top right-hand corner. So now that I have that set, I will go back to my clip. So to add my logo to my video, I will click on the little gear here. Under this logo section here, toggle this on, update settings, and you'll see that the logo is now showing up on the top right corner. The best part is now you can download the video with the logo included. All right, the video has been downloaded, and as I play it, you can see that the logo is still up here on the right-hand corner. That is really awesome. This feature is going to be really great for brands who want their videos to stay brand aligned, because you can include your logo in any video that you're uploading to YouTube, social media, your website. You'll be able to ensure that everybody who's watching your clips knows that this is your content. So try it out and let us know what you think.